I am from Delhi. One of my faculty in Mukherjee Nagar solved it in a different way. Can you please tell it? Dash percentage of 90. It is 31.9. Option C is 16, 23, 18, 26, 22. 22. He took 2 minutes to solve the question, it seems. Actually, this question will take 5 to 10 seconds if you know the approach. 4 8s are 32. 32 means unit digit is 2. Here the unit digit is 9. Here the unit digit should be 7. 7 means 6 9s are 44. No. 3 9s are 27. Answer is 23. Answer is 23. I hope it is clear. 8 9s are 72. 2. Right? It's simple, sir. I think this is a stupid question. Another way. That is the reason you should know all the concepts. It is even into even number. It is an even number. 31.9 is an odd number. Odd number. So here it will be, right? This should be an odd number. Even plus odd only, it will give you odd. Why are you going by the stupid formula based approach, sir? How many years you will write the same exam? Please tell me. Don't you have any other better things to do in life? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times? Are you writing Asia's toughest exam like CAT? Or after 12th like IIT? It's a simple basic elementary maths. Basic elementary maths. Right? How it is unit digit of is 0 of 80. Here, do the calculations here, Shailand. 14 by 100 into 80 here. It is 112 by 100. 10. What will be the unit digit? You tell me. What is the unit digit? Please tell me, sir. 11.2, right? 14 into 80 divided by 100. For 5th class, 1120 divided by 100. What is the unit digit? It is 11.2, right? Idea clear, beta? And I will be extremely disappointed if you do not know any of these concepts, sir. Write down one more. Write down one more, sir. Write down one more. One more, please write down, sir.